Did you know that you can analyze a linear graph and use that information to solve problems? Let's take a look at an example. This baby was measured when he was born, and then he was measured again periodically after that to see how his length had increased. Here's a graph that shows that information. When the baby was born, he measured 20 inches. At 4 months, he measured 21 inches. At 8 months, 22 inches. At 12 months, 23 inches. And at 16 months, the baby measured 24 inches. Can you predict the baby's length at 20 months? Let's take a look at how we can figure this out based on the linear graph. If you look at this graph, there's a pattern. For every 4 months, the baby grew 1 inch. So we can say that 4 months of growth equals 1 inch in length. So if the baby at 16 months was 24 inches, we can predict that at 20 months the baby will be 25 inches long. Jonah has been training for a marathon. In his first month, he ran 4 miles every day. In his second month, he ran 7 miles every day. In his third month, he ran 10 miles every day. In his fourth month, he ran 13 miles every day. In his fifth month, he ran 16 miles every day. Using this linear graph, can you predict how many miles Jonah will run in his 6th month? To figure this out, let's write down the pattern of values. So in his first month, he ran 4 miles. In his second month, he ran 7 miles. In his third month, he ran 10 miles. In his fourth month, he ran 13 miles. In his fifth month, he ran 16 miles. And we want to know how many miles he ran, or how many miles he will run, he could be predicted to run in his 6th month. Let's look at the pattern. You can see that each month he increased his mileage by 3 miles. If he continues on this track, based on the pattern, we can analyze the linear graph and predict that Jonah will run 19 miles in his 6th month.